Well, it's not like I haven't been doing anything. But this will be, man, how to clean snow out of your sawdust bins. Shit. How to clean the snow off your sawmill tools, even though the shed's over it. And sawmill lights. Hey, that works. Alright. I think I'm just going to blow sawdust right on top of that shit. What do you think? There's not much snow in here. There's a drift, nice drift there. And there's some snow over there. And some drift around there. Edger. But what I need to be doing, no, what I want to be doing, I want to be setting that resaw on there and trying that out. You know, new tool, you got to try out the resaw. That only makes sense, right? But I got to cut this firewood first, and I got to cut all those firewood logs first. And I think I'm going to get the leaf blower. See if it'll blow. I don't think it'll blow off this sawdust, or this. The snow's pretty heavy. I don't know, it might blow off some of it. But I've either got to do that or get a broom out here and sweep it off. But I think I'll just do the blower. See if the blower will start and blow that off. What do you think? Alright, so let's see if this thing will actually start. Hasn't been, make this its own video probably. Hasn't been started in 2 months. And it's been sitting right out here in the sawmill shed for 2 months. Let's see what we got. And I don't know if it'll blow that snow off there anyway. I got some gas in it. Yep, looks like it. Looks like the knob is not even busted yet. So that's good. She wants to start. Well, that's nice. The only problem is now I gotta spend some time blowing shit off. Because now I know it works, huh? Look up here. What the hell are you looking at? Huh? I don't know if it'll work on this outside. I definitely don't want to blow it back into the shed, right? I don't even know if I want to blow this. Well, that was a waste of time, but it was fun. Alright. GoPro, stop recording.